Rush family, so we're on Oak Road and welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush Discover Boss. So we're gonna take a look at a new commercial development on Oak Road. We're in front of Jamaica House right now. It's very close to TGIF, close to the Bob Marley Museum as well. So put on your seatbelt. So remember to like, comment and share as well. And the cheapest way to support the channel is by subscribing. Subscribing is free. So a new commercial development up the road, you'll see it in just a bit. There's also a billboard there showing what the project will look like when it's finished. So we'll capture some pictures of that. And then of course, we'll set up the drone so we can get some aerial shots. So it's close to Ligani, just past the intersection of Lady Musgrave and Hope Road. So this is Bob Marley Museum on the left. Popular tourist destination once they come in Kingston. Alright, and then the development is on the left. Sorry, it's right in front of us. Marley Road intersecting with Hope Road. So this is it so far. To be honest, I don't remember what was here before. I think it could have been a car mart. If any of you guys remember what was here, you can let me know in the comments. So this is what's coming soon. Commercial building for sale and leasing. I'll get a picture of the finished design. It's been financed by Sagicor Bank. They're one of the main financiers for these developments, both commercial and residential. That's probably one of the names I see the most often, along with CIBC. Alright, so stay tuned for more. Alright, so 4 floors, generator, fully solar offices, backup water supply, underground parking. Coming soon.